Well, I think couple of points on the global front. What is actually changing? The important part is the war-related situation is now promising to get into the control. Maybe I think getting resolved. Maybe Israel-Gaza is still I think a burning issue, but Russia-Ukraine is definitely I think an issue which is under control or coming under control. Uh, Trump talking about signing the nuclear treaty with Iran, I think is again, I think a very positive interaction that promises, I think, some kind of resolution between Israel and Gaza as well eventually. And of course, I think India, Pakistan, I think is now already concluded as far as I think the war aspects are concerned. What I'm trying to put across that globally, when this kind of major situations get into the control or getting over, the next thing that will immediately happen would be the reconstruction of those places. As President Trump has said that I think he wants to take over the Gaza Strip and probably develop it again. A similar situation could arise from the European Union as well, because for them it's a business. I think they would probably look at how to infuse money and probably I think make this entire activity go for the revival of the economy as well. So, in my viewpoint, I think if the reconstruction happens, some of the industries would definitely participate early. Engineering companies, construction companies, metal and commodity companies, they all will participate early because ultimately, I think the demand scenario is emerging for them in a stronger manner. On the other side, when we look at India, probably the stronger points are that because of the controlled crude oil prices, controlled energy prices, as you may want to name it as thereafter, you are not importing inflation, and as a result of which your inflation in the country is remaining low. Interest rate is coming down. Already two instances of interest rate brought down has happened already, and we are now likely to see the industrial growth coming in excess of 15% because government is also spending money on the infrastructure among others. So all in all put together, I think domestically the turf is absolutely I think convincing to play. On the other side, globally things are coming under control. New money is expected to come into the country. So in my viewpoint, I think some corrections on the valuations when they get when they escalate, I think that is implied. But the most important part is that in the every correction, I think you are likely to see the new participation of investors. So this may be a little longer answer to your point, but I feel that I think this is a holistic view that one can put across investors.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.